Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to share with you what I carried in my wedding handbag. And I carried this handbag right here to go along with my dress. And it's just a simple clutch bag. It's not very big, so I had to be very creative and strict with my space. So the first thing I'm grabbing out is my mirror. And I have to have my mirror when I'm reapplying my makeup, or well, my lips anyway. So I've got my mirror. Have to carry a pack of tissues, and that's not necessarily because I'm gonna cry, although that is quite handy too, but because I'm suffering from hay fever right now and the struggle is real. So I'm carrying a pack of tissues with me at the ready. Vaseline for my lips, just in case my lips get extra dry, and I'm wearing a mattifying lip gloss at the moment, or lipstick, and so my lips can get really dry, so I just take my Vaseline with me. And I carry mints. These are really handy. They're small and they're lovely. Yeah, you can have chewing gum, but there's some places that can be quite strict, especially if you're in a church and they don't allow any chewing or anything like that. So a nice mint to suck on is really good. And also, at least you don't need to worry about where you're going to spit your chewing gum out. It can be quite awkward when you're talking to someone and you just need to slyly spit your chewing gum out. It doesn't really look really cool. So mints are the way forward. Then I also have my lip pencil, and the one I'm using right now on my lips is Chestnut by Matte, and also the L'Oreal lip paint matte as well, in the color Nude on Fleek. So I love this one. I normally wear it with everything, and my dress that I wore is quite a peachy neon color, so I wanted something that wasn't too heavy and that was quite natural but still had a bit of color, and this lip gloss is the best for it. Another thing I'm carrying in my bag is some money. You never know if you're going, especially to a wedding, you don't know if it's a paying bar or not, so it's always good, especially for taxis or to get home, but it's always good to carry some extra money with you in case it's a paying bar. And of course, last but not least, I have my phone. This can take photos on it, as well as me taking my camera as well, but I have my phone. And the other thing that I did carry as well are flats. They didn't fit in the bag, so I had to carry an extra bag with that, but I had to have my flats. It was either that or barefoot. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my what's in my wedding handbag, and if there's anything else that's key essentials for you, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye. Today I'm going to share with you what I carry in my makeup handbag. So I took this along with me to the wedding. What did I say? Makeup?
My makeup.
Oh no. Today I'm going to share with you what I carried with me to the... No. Today I'm going to share with you what I carried in my wedding handbag. And I carried this handbag right here to go along with my dress.